So the next day, dito kami ngayon sa Tokyo. At saka ayan yung Tokyo Station. Congratulations sa amin kasi sabi nga nila pag nasa Tokyo Station ka raw, hindi mo raw malalaman kung saan ka tutungo. You'll get lost. So congratulations kasi nakalabas kami. Kasi yung Tokyo Station is malaki yan. Ito nga pala ang Tokyo. Parang taxi at bus drop-off ata ito. Ang lugar na to. Yung 7-Eleven nila, convenience store, Belmart kiosk. There are a lot of interesting things here actually I want to show you guys. Such as those things. What are those things? Ano nga ba yun? It's like, you know, sa atin parang cylinder traffic or car barrier. Pero ito, parang cone. Ayan. Yung garbage truck nila, ang liit. Ayan. Color blue. Yung Japan, parang tingin natin developed na. I wasn't actually expecting, no? Pagdating ko rito, marami pa rin mga building. At saka nagbibuild pa rin sila, no? May development pa rin. Kasi ang tingin ko, yung Japan at Tokyo, yung build na lahat. Pero makikita mo, ayan, tumutubo na yung mga building pa doon, mga bagong building. Kahit saan, makikita mo yung Tokyo Station pa rin. Kasi malaki yung Tokyo Station at saka underground din. So kung papasok ka ng Tokyo Station, eh medyo may posibilidad na you will lose your way. Kaya ang laki ng Tokyo Station. Ito na yung Tokyo. Tsaka may Tokyo Midtown, Yesu. Ang gagawin namin ngayong araw chill lang, relax. At saka magsha-shopping kung may makikita kaming magandang shopping mall. At saka may observation din ako, ano, hindi masyadong maraming scooter dito. Wala rin masyadong nagbibisikleta doon sa Taipei kasi. Ang daming nagbibisikleta, may U-bike service, rental bicycle. Dito yung makikita mo yung mga nagbabike, may trabaho, parang career job. Ang dami ring mga tourist galing sa Europe. Mga maliliit na van. It's very small. Not a lot of bicycles and motorcycles. May mga scooter nga pero parang delivery job yung ginagawa nila. To have different traffic lights or pedestrian crossing. Because instead of numbers, they don't use numbers. They use red lines on the side. Do you understand?
What's that, 11?
No, that's not 11. You see?
It's late?
No. It's like, it's a line. It will go down until no more line. No numbers. What did you say? Where are you going? Samurai. Pati sa syudad nila may uwak. Ayan, may raven dito. Yung mga taxis nila dito special. Tawag sa taxi nila is S-Ride. At saka yung taxi drivers nila nakasuot ng suit. Yeah, special. Yeah, look at the driver. He's wearing a suit. It's like business taxi. Business guy. That building over there looks special. Interesting building. Huning Ibon. Yung crossing nila, ang tinig ay ibon. This building is special. Parang window ng toilet. parang restroom. All the walls are glasses. See? Look at the buildings. Yung building dito malalaki. Gaya rin ng Taipei, ano? Pero yung building na yun special. Ano yan? Interesting. Tsaka ang luwag ng kalsada nila. I don't usually see the truck yung sa Taipei. Pero dito may mga cargo truck. At saka nga pala sa traffic nila, left-sided yung traffic. Kung magdadrive ka dito, dapat nasa left ka. Instead sa kanan. Instead sa right. ano ang Tagalog ng right?
So when you say holiday, this street people can walk, and the car will they will have a light cover the
People
car.
can freely walk on the road.
Yes.
Like a walking street. There's no car in here. Walang mga sasakyan, walang motor. Para sa mga taong naglalakad lang. Pero may nakikita akong sasakyan doon. Baka business truck or something. Yaman at lahi. Yaman! We're staying here. This is our restaurant. I'm gonna eat some sweets. Look at this woman. Looks fancy. It's curved. It's not straight. What are you looking at? You wanna buy toys?
I don't know what this.
I think it's a toy store. It says Toy Park. Lufu? There's a very interesting toy. I don't know what it's talking about. They're waiting for us. Okay. So, try namin itong restaurant na ito. Parang hindi restaurant, parang sweets. Yeah, very popular and looks really fancy. It's like we're inside a special place. All in Japanese. But we don't speak Japanese. And also the view outside is good, right? Parang feeling ko mayaman kami. And they have a lot of nice streets here. Don't stop now. Come on. Come on. Don't do it. More, please. Good job. Thank you. Komeo. Gigo. Ang daming tao ngayon sa Shibuya. Dito kami ngayon sa Shibuya. Nag-aantay lang ng opening ng restaurant namin. So, maglalakwatsa muna kami dito.
I don't say the Japanese
Advertisement.
Oh, it's very special. Have a lot of different ideas. Sometimes I'm confused what they sell.
You're confused of their advertisement.
But it's a lot different ideas.
Hikikimori. Hikikimori. Anyone? I'm Hikikimori. So, kailangan mo ng tulong or assistance. May police station sila dito. Ayan. Even in Japan, they also have this claw machine. Ewan ko ba kung bakit hindi ako makakasakay ng ganitong trip, no? Kasi gambling siya. At saka, I don't know, ayoko ng gambling. Kaya siguro walang nangyayari sa buhay ko. Kasi, hindi nagre-risk, ano? So, dapat mag-risk daw, sabi nila. Mananalo ka naman pag alam mo kung anong ginagawa mo. Or may ano siguro, may cheat siguro, or kung may alam kasi sa ganitong game, siguro makukuha mo yung gusto mo. Pero hindi ako marunong, kaya hindi ako nagtatry. Hands. That's the name of the building. Hands. Alam niyo mga kapitbahay, may interesting na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Look at this. Oh, sorry. I want to show the head, the eel. Do you know that's an electric eel? If you touch that one, if you touch this one, it will electrocute you. Electricity. Yeah. And Yunyu said it's cute. So, ito na yung Shibuya. Ayun. Huh? Magandang city din. I don't know, Shibuya is a city or a district? But it's amazing here kasi ang daming tao. At saka parang lugar ng mga kababataan? Youth! Lugar ng mga young people. Ayan. Kasi sa umaga, dun kami sa Tokyo, ang daming mga workers na matatanda. Kadalasan sa kanila yung late age na. At saka dito, parang active city or active district kasi gabi na. At saka ang dami pa rin mga tao naglalakad. Foreigners. Kung ikukumpara natin sa Taiwan, sa Taipei, dito ang daming foreigners. Maraming foreigners dito kesa doon sa Taipei. Marami din namang foreigners doon, pero hindi mas marami. Dito ang dami. You said this street, this crossing is very popular in the movie.
You said
Shibuya. Shibuya. Why are you shy? Okay, so you have a very serious comment about many things. Maybe you can share to us.
I'm a city girl. I don't have any.
This is city. Tokyo is city. But you have a lot of complaints. You don't want to say?
I don't have complaints.
Okay, sure. Sorry. It's another interesting thing din dito sa Japan, Tokyo. Makikita mo yung tren. Kabilang tren. Ang daming train station dito. Ay, isa lang yung train station, pero maraming rails. Makikita mo yung paabot na train. At saka makikita mo yung train na magde-depart na. Hindi sa open area doon sa Taipei, open area dito, hindi sa underground or something, hindi subway. Kunting tip lang, kung naliligaw ka sa Tokyo Station, may linya naman na ipapalo mo kung alam mo kung anong line dapat kang sumakay sa tren. Ayan, red kami. You say?
I say if you stay in Tokyo, the city, the train station is very complicated. You cannot
Complicated.
Complicated. The train is very complicated.
Complicated.
The train is very complicated.
So
you cannot easily find a way.
So what should we do?
We just do our job.
Do our job.
No, find it. We need plan.
We need a plan.
Make a walk.
Or
Or just don't come here.
Or follow the line.
No, don't.
Follow the line. There's the red line. See, there's the red line. Just follow the line. There's the line. Follow the line. What are you doing? Do you know the way?
I saw that you are on my back.
Ah, you are my back. I'm your back.
I suddenly turn back and speak and not you.
Ah, careful. Do you know in Taiwan, people usually stay on the right side?
Yeah.
But now,
in Japan,
please stay on the left side. If you want to walk on the escalator, right?
Oh.
Yeah, please turn. Oh, sorry.
No, already.
Why are they running? Why are they running?
Because
Godzilla is coming.
Because 10 have the last have a one train coming. So if they cannot arrive, they will waiting long time.
Ah, should we run also?
We don't need it.
Do they come from Disney? They look
Yeah.
like they come from Disney.
Yeah, because we will go to Disney hotels tonight. We will sleep there.
Ah, what Disney?
Hot Disney.
Oh yeah, because this train is going to Disney.
Yeah.
Are we going, baby? Are we going to the airport?
Who you call who?
Airport.
No. Disney.
Why do we have this kind of walking
Because
way?
Disney come back, the people is a lot.
Oh.
They need to have a lot different life.
You know, I usually see this kind of walking escalator. No, this is not escalator. Walking way at the airport. Ang daming taong
It's 80% is young person.
80%. Yeah, a lot of people are actually coming the opposite way. Ang daming tao sa opposite way. At saka ang liit lang na papunta doon. Mga kapitbahay, dito kami magsistay ngayon. Disney Ambassador. At saka ito sa Macy's. Are you happy?
Happy.
This is Disney, your dream.
Whose dream?
Yours.
No.
Okay. My dream.
Yeah,
It's my dream.
it looks like so beautiful.
Of course. We are not normal people.
Huh?
I'm kidding.
I'm normal.
I'm very normal. I'm lower normal. It's your dream.
No.
You said before you reach 50, you want to go to Disney.
This is not a dream. Just go.
Ah, just go. I remember you told me before. Baby? Oh, sure. I'm 40.
Why you call me baby? You need to say sorry.
Baby. I don't want to call you baby anymore. Liu Yiting. Baby. Come. Are you happy? It's your dream, right? Just say yes.
Okay, yes.
Kami ngayon sa Disney Ambassador. Ito yung isa sa mga malaking hotel dito sa Tokyo Disney. So ito yung room namin. To be honest, nakapasok na kami pero parang new experience din ano. So bubuksan natin. Oh. I need a card. I don't have a card. Oh, thank you. Ito yung Disney room. What are you hiding for? So, una-una makikita mo is yung toilet. At saka, malaki yung room na ni-reserve namin. Kaso yung isang bed, maliit lang. Gusto ni Mrs. doon ako matulog.
Yeah, 4 people. 4 that.
4 people, and we have a pool. Nobody's swimming.
I think already closed.
I don't think so. Ayan. So, yung style nila, ayan, maraming Disney cartoons na mga nasa dingding. Saka, yeah, we have a lot of Disney-themed portraits over here.
You tell them why we choose live here, because if we play in the Disney a whole day, we don't need to think about our luggage, because our luggage is a lot. We just put it here, finish the Disney, everything, we come back and sleep one night and go back to Tokyo station. So we stay. We bought.
Why are you moody today? We are already in Disney, huh?
I'm walking a lot, and
You only walk a lot?
no, and then yesterday
We walk. You walk a lot too.
Yesterday we skiing something, right?
Oh, my wife is tired. Oh, look. So we will watch Disney videos tomorrow. We will make a lot of videos of Disney tomorrow.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
she's busy.
Yeah.
Oh.